I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I usually go to the kitchen right after work.
I wash my hands first. I wash my hands first. Always wash your hands before you start cooking.
I put on my apron. I put on my apron. My apron keeps my clothes clean while I cook.
I take out the ingredients. I take out the ingredients. First, take out all the ingredients for your recipe. Let me check the fridge. Let me check the fridge. I wonder if we have enough eggs in the fridge.
I grab a sharp knife. I grab a sharp knife. A sharp knife makes chopping much easier.
I chop the onions. I chop the onions. I always cry when I chop the onions.
I slice the tomatoes. I slice the tomatoes. Slice the tomatoes thinly for the salad.
I peel the garlic. I peel the garlic. Peel 3 cloves of garlic before you crush them.
I grate the cheese. I grate the cheese. Grate some cheese on top of the pasta.
I boil the water. I boil the water. Wait for the water to boil before adding the noodles. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I like my eggs fried, not scrambled.
I bake the bread. I bake the bread. Fresh bread tastes best when you bake it yourself.
I stir the soup. I stir the soup. Stir the soup so it does not burn on the bottom.
I add salt to the food. I add salt to the food. Add a little salt, you can always add more later.
I pour the oil. I pour the oil. Pour the oil into the hot pan very carefully. I taste the food. I taste the food. Always taste the food before you serve it.
I set the table. I set the table. Set the table for dinner at 7 o'clock.
I serve the meal. I serve the meal. Serve the meal while it is still hot.
The food is delicious. The food is delicious. Everyone says mom's cooking is absolutely delicious.